How to replace the toner cartridge in a Brother HL-L2321D printer. When the toner light turns on, it means your printer is out of toner. You need to replace the toner cartridge with a new one or refill it to continue using the printer. In this video, I will guide you on how to replace the Brother HL-L2321D toner cartridge used for the Brother HL-L2321D printer. On both sides of the printer, there are handholds for you to pull open the front cover. Next, grab the handle in the center of the drum and toner cartridge assembly and pull it out. Press the green lever on the left side of the toner cartridge to unlock and remove it easily. When replacing the toner cartridge, remove the protective cover, align both sides evenly, and insert the toner into the drum unit. Then, reinstall the entire drum and toner cartridge assembly into the printer as shown. Push it all the way in and gently close the cover. If the cover doesn't close properly, remove the drum unit and push it back in more firmly. Press the Go button 3 times in succession. The printer will print an information page showing details about the toner, cartridge, drum unit, and counter. It's a good idea to print this counter page to keep track of the toner and drum status. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel to support me.